Hi, this video explains how to load the MS Word macro into Microsoft Word to permit you to use it to highlight your excess to-be verbs. We start at the PolyLearn site for your class. In this example, I show the EE460 PolyLearn class, and you locate where I've placed the macro in these videos on that site. In EE460, it appears near the bottom of the page under examples and handouts, but in your class it could appear elsewhere. Click on the passive voice macro, which brings it up. Then we'll save that on our hard disk, and then I want to load it into Microsoft Word. Two techniques to do that. One way, let's go to a Microsoft Word file. Let's pull up the macros menus, and then we can create a new macro. Let me give it a new name. New macro name. Create. And then we'll go back to the macro text. Select all the text, copy it, and paste it instead of this macro, which won't exist. This would paste it in there. I'm not going to do that right now, because if I do it, then I'll paste it in the same area where I already have the highlight passive voice macro, but that's one way to do it. So we can just paste it in. So it would be paste. I'm not going to do that. So let's get rid of this macro, which I don't need. Another technique, again, because I already have this macro in here, I'm not going to go through it all the way, but go to File, Import File. I'd look for, and then I would open it up. I don't want to open it up, because if I open it up, then I'll replace my copy of that macro already, and I don't want to do that. But you would just open it up, and it would then appear in your macros, and then you run it by selecting it from the menu in the Microsoft Word.